What if I told you that every little decision you make daily is either building your wealth or silently destroying it? Have you ever stopped to think about how the smallest decisions are shaping your entire financial future? The truth is, most people don't even realize they're sabotaging their wealth every single day. In this video, we are talking about 10 everyday decisions that can make or break your money game. We're not just talking about saving a few bucks here and there. We're talking about transforming the way you think about money. Stay with me. These insights give you the power to change your money game starting today. Subscribe to the Wealthy channel and let's dive deep. Number 1. Skipping the budget. Not having a budget is like trying to win a game without knowing the rules. Think of it this way. You wouldn't play chess blindfolded, so why are you navigating your financial life without a plan? Imagine earning $3,000 a month and by the 25th, you're wondering, where did it all go? Without a budget, your money leaks into random purchases, extra takeout, impulse buys. That's like pouring water into a bucket with holes. But a budget? That's your patch kit. It stops the leaks and directs your money toward what truly matters: savings, investments, and dreams. Spend an hour each month to map out your expenses. Use 50-30-20 rule of budgeting. 50% of your income should go to needs like rent, groceries. 30% should allocate to your want. Say shopping, entertainment, dine out, and 20% should go straight to investments. Wealthy people know where every dollar goes. If you don't, you're giving away control of your money. Number 2, you don't have unemployed money. Think of every dollar you have as an employee in your personal business. Some dollars are busy putting a roof over your head, others are out gathering food, some are out in the field multiplying themselves, and a few act as security, shielding you from life's unexpected challenges. But here's the trap. If a large portion of your dollars are sitting idle, without purpose or direction, they'll eventually wander off and find work somewhere else, often in ways that don't benefit you. The key is to assign every dollar a job, ensuring your money is always working towards securing and growing your financial future. Number 3. Choice of lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation, also known as lifestyle creep, happens when your spending increases as your income rises. This often feels natural. After all, you might think you've earned the right to treat yourself with a bigger house, a luxury car, or frequent vacations. However, this behavior can quickly trap you in a cycle where your expenses grow in tandem with your income, leaving little room to save or invest. For example, upgrading to a high-end apartment just because of a promotion might feel rewarding in the short term, but it also locks you into higher monthly costs, reducing your ability to build long-term wealth. Instead of using every raise or bonus for discretionary spending, allocate a significant portion to savings, investments, or paying down debt. This doesn't mean you have to deny yourself entirely. Set a modest percentage for indulgences while prioritizing your financial goals. By staying grounded and focusing on building assets, you'll create a financial buffer that allows for real freedom and security in the future, rather than just the illusion of wealth. Number 4. Focus on debt reduction. Debt can be both a powerful tool and a dangerous trap, depending on how you use it. Owing money you haven't even earned yet, with no certainty that your future income will be enough to pay it off. It's like trying to swim with weights tied to your legs, crippling and exhausting. That's why reducing debt must become your primary focus. Every payment you make towards clearing it is a step toward freedom, a step toward reclaiming your future. Becoming debt-conscious means recognizing how debt is holding you back and prioritizing a plan to eliminate it. Number 5. Paying yourself first. Instead of spending your income on bills, rent, or discretionary items and saving what's left, this method flips the script. The moment your paycheck arrives, a fixed percentage, typically 20%, is automatically transferred to a savings or investment account. This approach not only helps you build a financial cushion, but also changes your mindset about money. By reducing the amount of disposable income available for day-to-day expenses, you're forced to spend more thoughtfully and avoid unnecessary purchases. Over time, paying yourself first can lead to significant growth in your savings and investments through the power of compound interest. Number 6. Maximizing tax efficiency. Taxes are one of the largest expenses you'll face in your lifetime. Yet many people pay more than they need to simply because they don't understand tax-saving strategies. Consider utilizing accounts which offer tax advantages. If you're self-employed, explore deductions and business structures that reduce your taxable income Try to understand taxation because this makes huge difference. Consult a tax professional to ensure you're not leaving money on the table. Number 7. Insurance policies are in place. Life is unpredictable. Your hard-earned assets, your home, or even your health could be at risk in an instant. Without proper protection, years of effort could vanish overnight. Responsible financial planning means acknowledging that accidents, losses, or emergencies are a part of life and having a backup plan in place. Insurance is that plan. Ignoring insurance is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. You might not fall, but if you do, the consequences are devastating. Number 8. No emotional decisions. When talking about money, it shouldn't trigger an emotional response. If someone gets upset or defensive whenever the topic comes up, it's often a sign that money has an unhealthy grip on their emotions. For those who have mastered their money mindset, discussions about finances are just another part of life. They don't let the numbers control their feelings. Instead, they acknowledge the reality of their situation, accept what they cannot change, and focus on what they can improve. Money is a tool to build the life they want, not something to fear or avoid. Number 9. Multiple income streams. If your income is tied to one source, you're putting all your financial eggs in one basket. Imagine relying solely on your job for income, only to face a sudden layoff or a company downsizing. In The Millionaire Next Door, authors Thomas Stanley and William Danko emphasized that most millionaires didn't get there by relying on a single paycheck. They diversified their income through investments, side businesses, or other passive income streams. By doing so, they created a safety net that kept their wealth growing, no matter what happened to their primary source of income. Building multiple income streams is about making your money work hard in different areas so that you're never left financially vulnerable. Number 10. Financial education. Many of us grow up thinking that money is something that just happens, or that it's simply about earning and spending. Without financial knowledge, people fall into traps like high-interest debt, poor investment choices, or impulsive spending. Spend 10 minutes daily learning about money. Watch videos, read books, or listen to podcasts. The more you learn, the more you earn. Financial education empowers you to take control of your money. I believe in the power of shared knowledge. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with your loved circle, and subscribe for more transformative tips. Your financial future is in your hands. Start shaping it today. Thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.